Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I will show you step by step how you can make money with CPA offers. You are not paying any money on this video, so everything is 100% free. So all you just need to do is to take your time or watch this video. See, this video will not be longer than 15 minutes. So I will make sure I make this video short and fast, and I show you what is important on this video and how you can go and take the important things on this video and go and apply it and start making money. So I will show you step by step how you can make money with CPA offers. So just watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I'll show you how you can market CPA offers for completely free with a strategy that I have used, and I'm coming here now to share it with you, my subscribers. So all I just want from you is to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is only what I want from you, and let us head over to my computer. Let me show you step by step how it works. So as you can see, this is CPA lead. So to create your account is very simple. Click on this sign up button section. So it's going to verify, and you're just trying to verify to make sure that you are human. That is why you see this, trying to see if this person is really human, or if this CPA lead website is trying to open in a place where it's allowed. So you just have to be patient and just scroll down here. So what you have to do, you have to create your account as a publisher, so not advertiser. So make sure you create your account as a publisher. So this is a publisher account. So what you need to do here is to come down, enter your first name, last name, email address, and accept that have you earned 1,000, more than 1,000 with an other network with content locker. You can decide if you have done that, yes or no. You can, here you have to enter your password and re-enter your password. This security question, click here and you answer it here, and click on submit application, submit information, and they will verify you immediately. They will send you an email. You will click that email and your account will be verified. So once your account has been verified, come to this section and click on login. So once you click on log in here, you are going to come here, enter your password and your email address, and you click on log in. So just going to log in as publisher, click on log in. So once it open here, what you have to set up is you have to set up your payment method, set your payment method and your address. And once you have set that up, to set it up, just click on this section here and it will pop up your profile. You click on profile, you set it up. So once you have set it up, come back again and come to this section that say offers. Click on offers here. So once you click on offers on this section, so it will pop up and show you a lot of offers that you can promote. So all you just need to do here, you will see a lot of offers, a bunch of offers, featured offers that you can see here. What you need to do is to just scroll down. So as you can see, you scroll down here and you can see this website is going to this company is going to pay you 68 cents per lead. So all you just need to do now is to copy the link. So how to copy the URL is very simple. So what you need to do is to check if this website is allowed to be promoted in other countries. You can see all those websites here. The country that you can promote this website on is only in US. So you need to make sure you promote the product that you know that you promote product according to the requirement of the advertiser. So you need to click on this section. If you want to promote it, just click on it, and on top you'll find the URL, the bottom here. Normally, if the link is available, you will find it here. So you find the link here. But as you can see, this offer is not available anymore. As you can see, it says unavailable to promote, and you just need to click on that section. You need to look for the one that have a URL, a link that you can promote, like this one. Click on it, and this one, yes, you have a link. Copy the link here. So what you need to do is to copy the link. But before you copy the link, just scroll down. You can see they have a banner that you can go and paste on your website if you want. But if you don't want to do that, you just need to let go and come back again, and you copy the link here. You can see copy the link and follow instruction of what they are telling you. Say special instruction by advertiser. Please AIM for a 45 retention rate 2 day RO 45 device 100 and they are telling you what you want, what you have to do. So you just need to follow instruction here and follow the requirements. If you agree with the requirements, you can now click on copy. So once you click on copy now, you will now go back to where you have to promote this product. So how to promote this product now is to go to a particular website where you can promote this link. So where are you going to promote this link? So we are going to use this website, which is called Blogger. So we'll go to blogger.com, because if you try to promote that product in any other place, you can get banned, like Facebook, Twitter, and all those. They can ban you for trying to promote all those affiliate products, like you're trying to forcing people to do some offer. So what you have to do here now, because you don't want to get banned on social media, what you have to do, come to blogger.com, create a free website. Don't worry, create a free website on blogger.com and go to post session here, click on post new. And once you click on post new here, so you are going to copy the title of that offer. So what you need to do, go back again to this place and click on it. Where is it? So is this one here? Yes, is this offer here? Click on it. So once you click on it, I think it will open. So yeah, click on it like this, and you can copy it. You can say okay, you just copy. If this is the description and this is the title, so you need to click on this section. We can just say okay, you can just do something like this, copy it, or you can just open the offer in a new tab. I don't want to do that because of a copyright purpose. I don't know if they can ban my video for that reason. So you can just copy, or you can just open it in another tab to see what the product is all about. And you come to blogger.com and you come here, write an article about this offer. So once you write an article about this offer, let me show you. For example, let me show you the type of articles you can write. So as you can see, I have read the article. So you can see here the blog. So you can see, say the title is saying start using this application for your good. So it's the title of the application of the blog. And here, to enter the link, you just need to copy it back, like just tap it with your computer, just back copy it and come to this section, come to this link icon, click on this link icon, and you are going to enter the link, paste in the link. So you need to paste in the link. So yeah, if you have copied the link, paste it, the link you copy from that website, which is called CPA lead, paste the link here and click on apply. And now once they click on this link, it will now take them to that CPA offers. And when they now install the application, you will now make this money that you can see on the screen here. You will now make, where is the cash? You will now make this 87 cents for each person that complete that task. So that is how you can make money with CPA lead. That is how you can promote the product, promote the offer that they give you on CPA lead. So let me say you want to promote this particular blog you write. Let me say this blog now you write. You want to promote this blog on your website. You want to promote it on other places. So how you can get the link of this blog is to click on, let us say, okay, we want this blog to be live. We just need to click on publish. Click on publish here and click on confirm. So this blog will now be live. So since this blog is now live, so how we can visit this blog now is to click on this view icon here. So once we click on this view icon here, we'll now copy the URL here. This is what we are going to be using to promote the CPA offer on Instagram, on other platforms, because we cannot promote the CPA link directly. So we did it in this way to be able now to promote the CPA lead offer on any other social platform. So that is how you can promote your CPA offers, and that is how you can make money with CPA offer for free. So you cannot copy the link here and start promoting them on your Instagram group, so Facebook group, WhatsApp group. Just start sharing the link. When people click on it, they read the articles and they want to get the free, they want to use the application for free and get free gift. They will now click on it, install the application, which is the instruction what they give you on TikTok, on this website, which is called CPA lead, the instruction they give you. So once they have performed the task here, you will now make money. So if they click this link now, they say they want to get the app. So install app, once they click on it, you will now make money. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. I hope you learned something out of this. I hope now that you will now go and start promoting CPA offers in this way, like trying to put a bridge between the CPA link and Instagram on other platform that doesn't allow CPA offers, that doesn't allow you to promote CPA offers. So with this way now, you can then start promoting the offers in a lot of platforms like Quora, Medium.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a lot of places. So all you just need to do, copy the URL of that blog you blog about that particular offers you are promoting from CPA lead. You copy the link and go and share it, and you will start making money once they click on it, install their application. Give more details about that particular application, or give more details about the particular offers that CPA give to you. You will see good result that will come out at the end of the day. I'm just talking with experience, not just kind of trying to brag, but I'm just telling you with my experience, with what I've experienced by promoting CPA offers. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. I'll say thank you very much. If it really helped you, and if you find this video interesting, all I just want from you is to leave me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is it, and I'm going to end the video from here. See you soon. A way on how you can make money online. Bye bye.